So the question is, two dice are thrown together. The probability that the sum of two numbers will be a multiple of 5 is. So here the experiment is we are throwing two dice together. So if we first write the sample space for it, this is interesting, dear student. Pay attention here. Two dice we are throwing. So the number on first dice and the number on second dice will be important, and after observing both the numbers, number on first die, number on second die, we can say this is a total possible outcome when we see all the outcomes on first and second dice together. So outcome will be like that number 1 on first dice and number 1 on second dice, or number 1 on first dice, number 2 on second dice, number 1 or first, number 3 on second, up to number 6 on second with number 1 in first. If I fix 1 in first die, then there are 6 possibilities of number in second die, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So with 1 in first dice, there are total 6 possibilities. Similarly, if I fix 2 on first, then on second dice number may be 1, then number may be 2 up to 6. So again there are 6 possibilities. Now if I fix 3 on the first die, then on second dice the possibilities are from 1 to 6. So every time there are 6 possibilities when I fix a number on first die. So up to, if I fix 6 on first die, then there is possibility of 1 on second die up to 6 on second die. So these are total possibilities. In each row we can see there are 6 possibilities and there are 6 such rows. Means in this set of sample space, there are total 36 elements. Means there are total 36 possibilities. So dear student, remember this thing. When we throw two dice, there are 36 total possible outcomes. When we throw one die, there are 6 possible outcomes, that is 6 to the power 1. When we throw two dice, there are 36 possible outcomes, that is 6 square, and so on. So we have ns is equal to 36. Now what probability we have to find? Find the probability that the sum of two numbers will be a multiple of 5. So let E be the event that the sum of two numbers, which two numbers? Which are showing on the faces of two dice. Sum of two numbers be multiple of 5. Suppose this is the event E. And now multiple of 5. So how many possibilities are there? So this implies the sum may be 5 or 10 or 15 is not possible, because the maximum possible sum is 6 plus 6, that is 12. So there are just two possibilities sum to be, that is 5 or 10. So if we write our favorable event E, so if first we maintain the sum 5, then it is possible like if 1 on first dice, then 4 on second, then 2 comma 3, 2 on first and 3 on second, then 3 comma 2, then 4 comma 1. With 5 it is not possible because 0 is not there for second dice. Now if we wish sum to be 10, then it is not possible with 1, not possible with 2, not possible with 3, it is possible with 4. So 4 on first dice, 6 on second, then 5 comma 5, then 6 comma 4. So these are the favorable outcomes, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3 up to 6 comma 4. In these the sum is multiple of 5, either the sum is 5 or the sum is 10. So what is the value of NE? How many elements are there in this Set E 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our favorable outcome is, number of favorable outcome is 7 and total possible outcome is 36. Now we know that for any event E, P of E is equal to NE upon NS. So in this case also, P of E is equal to, now NE is 7 divided by NS, which is 36. So we have probability of E is 7 by 36, which is given in option number D. It means option D is correct for this question.